Brother HL-3170CDW driver download for Windows 10, Mac 10.14, and Linux. Windows 10 compatibility. If you upgrade from Windows 7 or Windows 8.1 to Windows 10, some features of the installed drivers and software may not work correctly. Please uninstall all drivers and software in. Support Windows 10, 32-bit, Windows 10, 64-bit, Windows 8.1, 32-bit, Windows 8.1, 64-bit, Windows 8, 32-bit, Windows 8, 64-bit, Windows 7, 32-bit, Windows 7, 64-bit, Windows Vista, 32-bit, Windows Vista, 64-bit, Windows XP, 32-bit, Windows XP, 64-bit, Windows Server 2016, Windows Server 2012, 64-bit, Windows Server 2008 R2, 64-bit, Windows Server 2008, 32-bit, Windows Server 2008, 64-bit, Windows Server 2003, 32-bit, Windows Server 2003, 64-bit. This download includes the CUPS driver, BR script driver, PC fax driver, and Brother status monitor. And here are the steps to choose whether you want to install cable or with Wi-Fi, and for the discussion this time we choose to install with cable. If you want me to discuss with Wi-Fi, please comment, I'll make a video. Now we discuss the paper gems problem. Every printer must have a problem operating it. The paper gems on the print brother HL-3170CDW might be a bit tricky because this type of print has a lot of toner ink, but it doesn't matter to us.